Well, welcome to this product demonstration video where we're going to show you the new Nobex 6+1, which is 6 drugs plus saliva alcohol. So it's a 7-in-1, in fact, complete saliva barrel test. We're showing you the outer box here, which is in the Nobex trademark packaging. You'll see the outer label on here if we just bring it up. CE mark, 25 tests per pack. It's got the drug abbreviations of the 6 drugs and the alcohol on the tests, and also the catalogue reference number, which is DSC776, and the lot number and the manufacturer and expiry dates on there. The 7 drugs on here which are going to be screened are OPI for opiates, then you've got AMP for amphetamines, MTD methadone, COC cocaine, BZO is benzodiazepines, THC tetrahydrocannabinol, so marijuana cannabis, and ALC for alcohol. And if we just pop one of these boxes open to show you the contents that will be delivered to you when you order a carton of 25, inside you'll have 25 individually foil wrapped drug tests, again with the data information for CE certification on each foil. You'll get a data insert, an instruction, which is a full manufacturer's data insert. And also you'll get a small pack of these, which are the cards for reading your saliva alcohol concentration and equivalent blood alcohol concentration results. So this is a colour change pad, which is an integral part of this 7-drug barrel. So you'll have a negative, which is a clear white background, going to various darkening shades of turquoise, indicating the higher concentrations of alcohol. And basically it's a match at a corresponding time. You're reading this at between 2 and 5 minutes after the saliva test's been started. So that's your contents. What we're going to do next is just show you one of these tests, run one of them for you so you can see the mechanism of how it works, and show you the results from one that you will get with this particular drug test. So that's all coming up in part 2.